Hello and welcome, Pokefans. Today is something a bit different. As I've moved to a new space, I've moved into my actual working office. I decided it needed sprucing up a bit, and I have these canvases lying around for ages now. So I thought I'm gonna paint some Pokemon. Gonna have some little cute Pokemon faces on there. I'm not sure which ones yet, but yeah, I just thought I'll do a little time lapse of that, so hope you enjoy the video. And there we go. They're finished. Pikachu, I think, is my favourite one. The Vaporeon, it needs changes. I need to get some different paint to change this colour here. It needs to be a bit more blue, but overall it will do for the time being. It's literally taken so long. I've literally been watching paint dry. Anyway, a bit different to my normal videos. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a like and subscribe, please. And check out my Instagram for updates and hints on upcoming videos. Thanks all for watching, and I'll see you all soon.